There's actually two different ways that we're connecting to our Azure Table Storage. The first is through a REST API that the Table Storage has, and then the second is through a built-in data binding that they have, or output binding. And so, just really quickly, I want to show you some documentation about the REST API here. So if you have any more questions about the REST API, you can just Google table storage REST API. And so this is actually how we're gonna make that request to see if a key is actually in the table. So this is the endpoint here. It's your account, and then you've got your actual table, and then the partition key and the row key. So I'm gonna actually copy this and open up Postman and show you how to make that call. So here we've got Postman to do the request. I'm just going to do a new request here and paste that in here. Our account for that storage account is store my note, and it'll be A4. The table name was, what was the table name? Store my notes. And then the partition key, let's just pull this up again. Partition key was notes, and then the row key that we're looking for is 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you ever, wonder what your, table name was, or partition key is, or row key, you can find it here. You can also find it through the portal. But so our partition key is notes, and our row key is 1, 2, 3, 4. And we don't need any kind of select, we just want everything. So if I send that now, it's not going to work because it doesn't have access. By default, table storage, you need some kind of authentication to get access to it. And so in order to do that, what we want to do is go back to the Azure portal. You can go to the storage accounts on the left here and go to the storage account, and then create a shared access signature. You can do that there, or you can also do it in the table storage, or the storage explorer, by creating a shared access signature. I'm just gonna, for this example, do it in the Azure portal. So I'll create a shared access signature, and what I want it to do is allow access to the table storage, and I want to give it these permissions here, and I don't want this to expire, so I'm just gonna choose a date in the far off future here. 1000, let's just do this here, and I'm gonna generate this connection string. And so this is the connection string that you're going to want to use for connecting to your API. And so what I want to do next is just copy it into Postman.